So my plan was to open this at the first Made2Hustle, the first date, and it would have arrived the day I got home. It would have arrived on that Monday. So I held it because, I think all my life I've gotten awards and it never really meant nothing because I knew I was on a mission for something greater. So, and I figured out my purpose, what Ron was talking about earlier, and it was, to build community and invest in the people. And that has given me the purpose. I found it in YouTube. I never thought I would have from starting. So, I held this today to open with you guys who showed up today because it's about community. It's 100,000 subscribers. It doesn't reflect me. It reflects the community that we've built over the 5 years that it took to do it. It's not no such thing as an overnight success. A lot of people ask me how I got here or how, what I would do differently. Man, I just grinded. I put my head down and I put out content, not knowing that this would be what it would bring. I wouldn't be hosting conferences or traveling the world or, being able to do this to make a living and take care of my family. So I'm extremely fortunate for your attention because your attention is what allowed me to be here on the stage today, allowed these companies to even meet me, for me to even have an impact that I've done. And I've always stood in the way of, standing up for people, like my success or my things on the back burner. And you guys have given me all the success that I have. You guys are what helped me take care of my family. So I wanted to open this today. I thought you opened it, man. All right, there we go. So I finally get to see and feel what my man Rich has already felt and what Alan will soon feel. But, I want you guys to all understand, I want to frame this t-shirt side hustle. 100,000 subscribers. But I want all you guys to sign in front of that t-shirt that we're going to have over there so I can frame it and hold that with this. I really appreciate you guys, even the people who may be watching this at home that weren't here, but the fact that you guys chose to follow me. And I don't do things by the book or by the way anybody else thinks I should or want to. But this is for us, and I'm going to keep bringing you guys content. I'm going to keep trying to build community and impact people's lives. So thank you guys for coming. I think everybody should touch this, because it's attainable.